Good morning children. Today we'll learn about subtraction framing word problems. We'll learn framing simple subtraction word problems of subtraction. Okay. Let's see the example given here. Frame a simple word problem for 54,000 minus 43,000. Children, they will give two numbers and they will give the sign of subtraction. And they ask to frame the simple word problems and also they will ask to solve it. Okay, let's see how they have framed the word problems. And remember, in subtraction, while framing the word problems, we have to the words like how much more, how much less, how many more, how many less, what is the difference. These questions will come in subtraction. Okay, while framing the word problems, you should remember these words you should add and frame the word problems. Let's see how they have formed. First problem is Aman bought a dining table set for 54,000 rupees and a sofa set for 43,000. How much more did he pay for the dining table set? See here, how much more? How much more means we should understand it is a subtraction. We need to add the how much more. They have added here how much more for the framing word problem of subtraction. See the now question is formed already. Now we have to find the answer. We have to solve this. Aman bought a dining table for set 54,000 and sofa for 43,000. So put the greater number up and the smaller down and subtract the number and get the answer, and you should write the statement, that is answer in word. He paid 11,000 more for the dining table set. Like this we have to form the word problems of subtraction. Let's see the A1. We'll solve the exercise. Frame a simple subtraction word problem for the following and solve. See the A1. Let's frame a word problem. Rita wants to, I will form a simple word problem here. Rita wants to buy cell phone for rupees 27,000. She wants to buy a cell phone costing the rupees 27,000. She wants to buy a cell phone and the cost of the cell phone is 27,000, but she has only 15,000. So how much more money does she need? We have to find the answer now. See, it is a simple word problem of two line. Rita wants to buy a cell phone for rupees 27,000, this number, and she has only 15,000 in hand. So how much more money does she need to buy mobile phone or the cell phone costing 27,000? That we need to find out here. So write the solution here. Write here cost of cell phone. Cost of cell phone is what? 27,000 rupees. And next, money Rita has is 15,000, and it is a subtraction problem because we have used here how much more. So put a subtraction sign and subtract the number. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here also 0. This one also 0. Then 7 minus 5 will be 2 and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So 12,000 is the answer. Write the statement here. Rita needs 12,000 rupees more money to buy a cell phone. This is the statement. Okay, Children, for the next B, C and D one, you will frame a simple word problems, and also you need to do the solution, that is find the answer and send. Okay, do this and send. We'll see the next page now. Now we'll see combination of addition and subtraction. If they have given the sum containing addition and both subtraction, then how to solve the sums we'll study now. See the understand, whenever addition and subtraction operations come together in a problem, do the operation that is given first from the left to right. We have to do the sum from left to right. See for example now, 20,000 plus 30,000 minus 40,000. Here plus also they have given and subtraction also they have given. We need to add the numbers first, then we need to subtract. First we need to add the numbers. Here they have given the plus sign. So first they have given the plus sign, so we have to add the numbers first, then subtract the number. Add these two numbers, then subtract the whatever answer you will get, you have to subtract that answer with the next number. See now, first step is add the numbers. First addition they have given these two, so add the numbers. 20,000 plus 30,000 will be 50,000. Yes, we got the answer for this now as 50,000. Now from 50,000 we have to subtract 40,000, because minus they have given. We got the answer for this, and minus 41 is there. So the second step is subtract the third number from the sum. Sum is this one. So our sum is 50,000. From that 50,000 minus 40,000, we have to subtract 40,000 from this 50,000, and we'll get the answer after subtracting 10,000. Like this we have to solve. If they give the subtraction first and addition, then we need to subtract the numbers first, and whatever answer we get, we need to add the sum or the difference. See the next example now. Here they have given 40,020 minus 30,812 plus 25,452. So first they have given here minus subtraction sign, then they have given the addition sign. So first we will subtract these two numbers, and whatever answer we get after subtraction, we have to add that number to this. Let's see now. 40,020 minus 30,812 will be 0 minus 2 is not possible. Yes. So cancel these two numbers, take a carry over, use the borrow method and find the answer. After subtracting 30,812 from 40,020, you will get the answer 9,208. Now addition we have to do. We got the answer for these two. We have subtracted these two numbers. For the got answer, you need to add the number 25,452. Now our answer is 9,208. To this number we have to add the third number, this one, 25,452. Add the numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10. Then here 1 carry over, 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 4 is also 6. 9 plus 5 is 14, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Like this we have to solve the sums. Whichever sign they give first, that we need to solve first, and the answer we got we need to add or subtract to the next one, next number. Let's see the exercises now. See, do simplify. First one, 3,000 plus 2,000 minus 1,000. Here children, 3,000 plus 2,000. First addition sign they have given. So first we need to add the numbers, and for the answer whatever we get, to that answer we need to subtract 1,000. Let's solve in our notebook now. Write the question. 3,000 plus 2,000 minus 1,000. Add these two numbers first. Addition first they have given, so add the numbers first. 3,000 plus 2,000 will be 0, 0, 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 5,000. To this answer we need to subtract 1,000. We got the answer for this. Now they have given the subtraction sign. This means we have to subtract the numbers. Yes, subtract the numbers now. 5,000 This will be our step 1. And this is step 2. Mention the step 1 and step 2 and solve. 5000 minus 1000. So 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4000. When you add 3000 plus 2000 and subtract minus 1000, you will get the answer 4000. Now the remaining 5 sums you will solve and you will send me. Now see the practice sums. From these sums I will solve the E1. Let's see. 52,143 plus 23,414 minus 38,470. Let's add these numbers first, then we'll subtract with the answer this number. Let's add. Step 1 is addition. That is 52,143 plus 23,414. Add the numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 4 is also 5. Then 3 plus 2 is also 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer we got as 75,557. Then what is the step 2? We have to subtract 38,470 from the got answer. Okay, which is the greatest number that we need to write first. 75,557 is greater, so write this number first, then write a subtraction sign, then 38,470. Subtract the numbers now. 7 minus 0 will be 7. 5 minus 7 is not possible. Cancel the numbers, take a carry over, make it as 15 and this as 4. 15 minus 7 will be now 8. Now we have 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 5 minus 8 is not possible. Cancel the numbers and the previous number, make it as 15. This has 1 less, that is 7 minus 1 will be 6. Now 15 minus 8 will be 7. Then 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 37,087. Okay, like this you will solve the sums and you will send me. Write neatly with the pen in your notebook and send me. Now see the next exercise. Simplify. A1 is greatest 5-digit number plus smallest 4-digit number minus greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 5-digit number, children? 99,999. Yes. Plus smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 10,000. Sorry, 1000. 4-digit they have asked. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Minus greatest 4-digit number. Which is greatest 4-digit number? 9,999. This is the sum now. Now we have to add these two numbers first. Then you will get the answer. Whatever answer you will get, you will subtract 9,999 from that answer. Let's solve this. I will solve here. You will solve in your notebook neatly. Okay. 99,999 plus 1000. It is a 4-digit number. So we have to write from the 1000 place. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is again 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 has a carry over. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. What is the answer? The answer we got in lakhs. It is a 6-digit number. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. 1,999,000. Okay. From this answer we have to subtract 9,999. Let's subtract now. Write this number. Then subtract. From 1000 place we have to write. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is again 0. Then 9 minus 0 minus 9 is not possible. Cancel, make it as 10 and this as 9 and this as 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus nothing is there means 9. So the answer is 91,000. It is a 5-digit number now. The answer is 91,000. Now we are going to solve the B1. You will solve B1 and you will send. Okay. Solve all the sums. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss in the Google Meet classes. Okay. Thank you.